Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Let me see, can you guess what I'm going to make today? I'm going to give you about 5 seconds to guess. Look, we got some boiled eggs, sausage, breadcrumbs. So if you haven't guessed yet what we're making, Scottish eggs. Well, at least I'm going to attempt to, without a recipe. Just kind of remembering what I've seen on TV and YouTube. So basically they take a boiled egg, and I boiled these about 2 days ago, and they cover it in sausage, and I have some sausage here. This happens to be maple something sausage, maple flavored sausage. So then what they do is they cover the boiled egg in sausage. Alright, so I just kind of did the thing. And let me tell you, the way I boil my eggs is I always put them in a cold pan. You know, I don't heat the water up first, just, fill the water up from the tap. Put in my eggs, put the burner on medium, and then I just boil the egg. And I boil them for 20 minutes. So it's pretty easy, but you make sure your eggs are covered all the way. But yeah, I don't boil them for 20 minutes, but I turn on the heat on medium, and then 20 minutes later, I have perfectly cooked eggs. Alright, so let me see, I've covered it in breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to put that to the side for now. Alright, let's do one more. So here are my Scottish eggs, y'all. Look at them. They look like Scottish eggs. I wonder how off my recipe is from the traditional one. I'll have to look that up one day. Alright, so let me go ahead and grab one egg here. Alright, put this to the side. Okay. Now, these are hot. They're right out of the oven. I had them in a 350 degree oven for like about 20 minutes. It's actually kind of crunchy. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Alright, there's our cross section of the Scottish egg. Looks pretty good. Alright, so for comparison, here we have the Scottish egg right here. Does it look good? Alright, so that's the way it looks whole, that's the way it looks cut in half. Alright, now for the moment of truth. The taste test. I'm also curious, I wonder how hot the egg is. Okay, it warmed the egg all the way through. The egg is nice and hot to the touch. Okay. Tastes like eggs and sausage. Okay. And if you noticed, I didn't add seasoning. And that's because the breadcrumbs were already pre-seasoned, since they were Italian breadcrumbs. And sausage is pretty salty. And so that kind of balances it out with the egg, which had no seasoning. So it turned out pretty good. Alright, well, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. If you learned something today, go ahead and subscribe. You know, like, watch more, tell people about it. You know, I'm at 650 plus subscribers, so I'm so close to the 1,000. So if you could help me get to that 1,000, I would so appreciate it. Alright, thank you for stopping by. Remember to wear a mask and sanitize them hands. Alright, take care, y'all.